Hi everyone! If you have difficulty installing IPA files on iPhone and iPad, then this video will be very useful for you with new method. And this tutorial supports all iOS, including iOS 18. First of all, open Safari browser. Then go to esigndownload.bio.link. On this website, you can install IPA files with the latest Esign and up-to-date anti-revoke. You can download Esign with many available certificates. You can download and try them one by one until you can install Esign on your iPhone or iPad. With so many choices, there are bound to be several certificates that work on your device. Here, I will try to install Esign with this certificate. Let's try whether this works or not. To get the link, please skip this short link first. Please click the button in the middle, then the task that you have to do will open. Click the link and a new tab will open. Leave the tab open, then go back to the short link and click Unlock Link. Then you will automatically go to the Esign download. We will do 3 steps. Firstly, please install DNS in the link below. Click on it, then install the profile. After that, go to the Settings section and click Profile Downloaded. Please install the profile by entering your passcode and click Install. After the DNS profile has been successfully installed, please return to the website. Then click the Install button above. Click Install Design. Return to the home menu, then you will see the installation process. If you see Unable to install, it means the sign in this link doesn't work on your device. Please press the back button, then you will find lots of Esign links with various certificates. I will try installing Esign at the very top. Then click Install Esign directly without installing DNS again. Go back again to Home menu. If you see Untrusted Developer, it means the Esign works on your device. Please verify it on Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, and click Trust. If you are using iOS 18, you have to restart to install it. Click Allow and Restart. Then your device will restart automatically. After restarting, the Esign has been successfully trusted and can be opened as usual. After that, open Esign app. Here, you cannot use Esign to install IPA files. You must download and import the certificate into Esign. Please reopen the website. Then, please click Download Certificate on the button below. After the download is successful, please open Esign. Then click the 3 dots in the corner. Then select Import. Please select the certificate file that you just downloaded earlier. After importing, click the file, then click Unzip. Go to the folder, then click Import Certificate. To see the certificate password, you can see it in the text note section below. After that, the certificate import process was successful. Here, you can install IPA files. In addition, you can also add an IPA library or source to get IPA automatically. You can use the Starfiles repo or something else. Please go to the App Store section. Click App Source. Then add the IPA library repo link by pressing the plus button above. After the import link is successful, you will see lots of IPAs that you can download and install directly with Esign. Here, I will try to download and install this app. Click Download. After successful download, return to the home menu. Click the downloaded folder, click the app icon, then click Import App Library. Go to the App section, click the icon again. Then click Signature and Install. Then the app will automatically be installed in the home menu. So Esign is very easy to install IPA files and IPA sources automatically without getting them manually. You can install as many apps as you want without limits. So use whatever you like. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please join to our Telegram group to get new update and support. See you on the next video.